Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video on Hayat's Kitchen. In today's video, I am going to show you how I made this jollof rice without tomatoes. So if you want to see how I made it, please watch to the end. These are the ingredients I used for my pepper mix: carrots, onions, red bell peppers, parsley, beetroot, and red scotch bonnet pepper. So I will drizzle some oil on it and I am going to roast this for at least 10 minutes like this, and we are good to go. So I am going to blend it into a fine puree just like this, and then I will set it aside. So let's continue with the cooking process. So here I have parsley, green scotch bonnet pepper, onion, and garlic, and I am going to blend it. So I have seasoned my beef with salt, beef seasoning, and then seasoning tablets. And I will add my blended ingredients I showed you earlier. I will add small water, give it a stir to make sure everything is well marinated here. Cover and allow it to come to a boil for 5 to 7 minutes. So after that, I am going to give it a stir once again. Add enough water because I will be using the stock to cook my jollof rice. So I will give it a stir once more, cover and allow it to come to a boil for 8 to 10 minutes or till I'm okay with the consistency. So once I'm okay with the consistency, I am going to remove everything and then set the stock aside. And whilst doing this, my oil was already on heat and I am going to fry my beef till it is well fried to my satisfaction. So once it is fried, I will strain it and then set it aside. In my pot, I am going to use the same oil I used to fry my beef, okay? And here I used the ingredients I used to marinate the beef as my stew base. So I am going to fry this till it is moist free. Once it is moist free, I will go in with my bay leaf, give it a stir once again. And next I am going to introduce my pepper mix. Just see how colorful this pepper mix looks. Like I have tomatoes here, but I have zero tomatoes. You can attest to that. So I am going to fry this and keep on stirring from time to time till it is moist free or till I see oil floating on top. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Like my video, share my video, and make sure to turn on your notification bell, okay? So here I am going to give it a stir. As you can see, our stew is already coming together. And I am going to introduce my spices, and here I used all-purpose spices, curry powder. Give it a stir so it is well combined. And you can follow me on other social media platforms at Hayat's Kitchen, okay? So I am going to cover it and allow it to fry for some time because I don't want to mess my place, okay? So here I am going to give it a stir because I don't want it to stick to the pot. And next I am going to add my washed rice. And I am going to give it a stir till it is well combined, and then I will bring in my stock. And here I didn't add all the stock, okay? I just wanted the stock to cover the rice just like this because jollof rice doesn't need much liquid. We just need the heat to steam the rice. Okay, so I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for 10 to 12 minutes. So after that, I will give it a stir, because jollof there you'll be stirring, if not it will burn and kasa. So I will stir it just like this, and then I will bring my parchment paper, and you can use foil paper or even a napkin. Cover it before bringing the lid cover, and lower your heat and make sure you allow it to steam properly for 15 to 20 minutes depending on your heat. Okay, so after 20 minutes on low heat, and our jollof rice without tomatoes is ready. Just see this jollof rice. You can't tell me nothing. And it was very delicious, guys. You can just try this and let me know your feedback in the comment section, okay? So I paired this jollof rice with macaroni salad, and I already have that recipe for the salad on my channel. Just see how juicy the salad is. Just go and look for the video and watch, okay? Or I will just put the link on top of this video and you can just click it and watch it, okay? So I paired it with this jollof rice, added my beef, and oh my, it tasted so good. So guys, this is the end of this video and I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.